Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get Epic detail or get issue without Epic for board and get board issues for Epic using REST API from Jira. So Jira is one of the project management tool. We will extract this detail through REST API. So if you can see here, we are targeting this is a Jira board where we will have different options or active boards are available. So when we are selecting this detail or calling this detail through REST API, we will get all these details accordingly. So we'll see here how to perform this activity practically. So if you want to learn about Jira and Jira REST API, please watch my Jira playlist. I will include the URL in description tab so that it will be easy for you to access it. For getting epics, we need to have API tokens or API name. Without that, we won't be able to proceed it. So I've already configured and authorized Postman to connect with Jira so that we can get call or extract the report through REST API. So here first, let's see how to get epics through REST API. So it will return all the epics from the board or the given board ID. This only includes epics that the user has permissions to view. If the user don't have permissions to view the board, no epics will be written at all. So here we have to provide the board ID. How you will get the board ID? So here you can see this is the ID. So generally we have to select any ID for which I want to get the detail of the board. Now I want to select for EP board. So this is my board ID. So here I will add 8. Then we have to just add Epic and click on send. So make sure you have to select the get method so that you can get the detail. Now you can see in this board, whatever epics I'm having, I got the detail about this epic. You can see accounts, payments, order page, and we can also see this detail into here as well. So these all are my epic. Inside this board, you can see product listing, product purchase, order page, accounts, and payments. So these all epics are available here. So you can see accounts, payment, test one is one of them, test two is another of them, which is not added inside the roadmap. You can see product listing. So these all epics are available inside my board. Next, I want to get the issue without epic for board, which will return all the issues that do not belong to any epic on a board for given board ID. This only includes issues that the user has permissions to view. Issues written from this resource include agile fields like sprint, close sprint, flag, and epic. By default, the written issues are ordered by rank. So how we'll get this? So generally for getting this detail, we have to just change the path or the calling link. So here we are adding none and then epic. Click on send. Sorry, instead of epic, we have to just add issue. Now we got all the issue list from this board with the proper detail, which I said, like the ID, key, fields, which all fields we have, description, status, and other details. So everything is available here. We can cross-check and verify through our Jira credentials. Even we can see the display name, then account ID, email address, everything is available here. So this is how we can get the detail from Jira. Next, I want to extract the get board issues for Epic, so which will return all the issues that belong to an Epic on the board for the given Epic ID and the board ID. This only includes issues that the user has permission to view. Issues returned from the resource include agile fields like sprint, close sprint, flag, and epic. By default, the return issues are ordered by rank. So here we have to add epic with the epic ID. So we'll need epic ID as well as the issues. So let's check about epic ID. Now here we have the issues. So let me go back, remove this and get some Epic ID. So this is my Epic ID. Let me copy it. Then issue. So within that, whatever issues we have, we'll get it in detail. So related to this Epic ID. So if we want to see the exact Epic ID with the proper detail, we can see the state, name, that is start, end date, complete, origin board. These all informations are available for particular issue. So each and every issue which is tagged with this Epic will get this detail properly. So this is how we can get detail from Epic, like the Epics without Epic for boards and board issue for Epic. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.